Oh, you hear that? That's some kind of scary rustling sound coming from behind you. Huh? That was just some paper stuck to you? Huh. Wow. I guess my reactions are overdrive. I just wanted to teach you how to show everyone distress. Quit staring, I'm serious. I learned the distress reaction. Oh my goodness. Hey, is it weight training time? This is for you. Really? What is it? It is a sea snail. A sea snail, huh? Wow, this is great. It'll be perfect for some heavy curls, Groof. Okay. Before we get back out there, I'm gonna go get something to drink. I need something cooled.